Welcome to Synergy's software presentation. Access through secured web login. After login, you can see total sales, total purchase, invoice due, purchase due, total sales return, and total purchase return statistics on dashboard. Also, you can check the monthly sales graph and sales payment due list and purchase payment due list. Automatic generates product list which need to be purchased. Shows list of all shipment details. This is all about the dashboard, which shows all vital elements of the business. Repair module for service businesses. Dashboard showing statistics of all repair job sheets. Showing list of all job sheets with current repair status. Job sheet can store serial, IMEI, passwords, pattern lock, and image of the product as well. Job sheet view with barcode and counter slip. Job sticker for pasting on the product. Search job sheet repair status-wise. Edit repair status once job completed.